It's the holidays, the kids are on their tablets, someone's streaming a movie, and you're trying to watch the game and nothing works. The Wi-Fi is crawling, the video's buffering, and everyone's frustrated. Kids are crying, no good. In today's video, we're going to walk through how fiber internet handles the chaos of a full house during the holiday season. Every year, homes fill up with new devices, games, tablets, everything hitting your internet all at once. And if your internet can't handle that, your holidays are going to turn into a mess. So picture this, multiple people at home, streaming, gaming, video calling, using multiple devices. The movie's buffering, the game's lagging, and our internet is being bogged down. All of those factors can ruin your holiday season. What I just described to you is what cable internet is. Because speeds are limited and your bandwidth is shared with your neighbors, that can all impact your connection. How do we fix it? Fiber internet. So this is how fiber internet handles the holiday season. Fiber provides high speeds and consistent performance even with a lot of devices or people online. Realistically, you're going to be FaceTiming family members, shopping online for the holiday season, or streaming movies with the family. Overall, fiber is more stable and reliable, and you won't have to worry about your connection slowing down this holiday season. This kind of chaos is not limited to December. This happens anytime your house is full. Fiber gives you the ability to handle busy days, big families, and growing tech setups. All in all, fiber is going to make your life easier year-round. So there you have it, why fiber internet is especially important around the holidays. Click the link below to get the best internet you can from Easy Fiber.